Splish, Splash, who is playing in the water.
Quack, quack. I am Bobo the rubber duck. I sit on top of the water. Watch me.
Bobo has a big tub full of water. Some things stay on top, they float.
Here is a leaf. Will it float or sink?
Ready, 1, 2, 3, plop. The leaf floats, it stays right on top. Look, it does not go down at all.
Quack, floating is so much fun. Now here is a rock. What will it do?
Have a guess, will it float or sink? Splash, the rock goes down, down, down.
It sank all the way to the bottom.
The rock is heavy, so the water cannot hold it. Light things are easy to lift up.
This ball is light. I will push it down.
Boing, the ball pops back up and floats. Push it down, then let it go.
Light things love to float on top.
Heavy things push down into the water.
This spoon is heavy. Down it goes.
The heavy spoon sinks to the bottom.
Heavy sinks and light can float.
What else could sink? Have a think. Let us say our big words together.
Float. Sink. Light. Heavy.
Try it at bath time with a grown-up.
What else can float? Go and find out. Bye-bye, quack quack.